Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bead unboxing for the Dollar Bead Box for the month of December 2021. Here is everything that's in it for this month. There's a pretty long list of it and such beautiful pieces. So let me go and get everything in order and I'll be right back. Okay, so here I am, I'm back. So we're starting with the December 2021 Dollar Bead Bag of Czech Fire Polish. You get 8 strands for $8. You get 4 3mm strands and 4 4mm strands. So the first one is a blue violet. So beautiful. This can be used in so many things. You can use it for spacers. You can just make a little bracelet on its own. Look at that sparkle in that, it's so gorgeous. Next up is 3mm metallic green iris. Look at that sparkle in there, so pretty. So pretty. The next is Matte Jet AB, 3mm. It's like even though it's matte, it still has that sparkle from the AB. So pretty. And the fourth 3mm strand is Matte Blue Iris. That's just so pretty. And these Czech Fire Polish beads are so nice. The holes are perfect, everything. Very well made beads. And now we have the 4mm strands. We have Lilac Fuchsia. Look at those. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. And then the matte green iris. I like turning them so you can just kind of see how they move. And then these two are kind of hard to tell between matte rainbow iris and matte bronze iris. So I'm kind of just showing them together because they're pretty similar. I would say though that this would be the matte rainbow iris. And then this is the matte bronze iris. So these are your 8 Czech Fire Polish strands. And now we're going to get to the other strands that are part of the bead box. We have Czech Glass Pearl Pastel Mint 40 pieces. We have this one. Very pretty. Next we have Czech Glass Pearl Olive. The other one was 3mm. This is 4mm, 40 pieces. Very pretty. Next up we have 5mm Czech Fire Polish Dark Aqua Maria or Blue Zircon Vitrol, 25 pieces. This is very pretty. Very pretty. Next up is 6mm Czech Fire Polish Turquoise Silver Travertine, 20 pieces. Very pretty. Next up is 6mm Czech Glass Daisy Spacer in white opal, 60 pieces. This is really pretty. And the holes in these are just perfect. These are such well-made beads. Next up is 6x8mm Czech Glass Squishy Bicones in Jonquil or Bordeaux, 36 pieces. Got a real like funky little shape to them. It's almost like an oblong saucer. So this is them, so pretty. And then last up for the strands is 8mm Czech Glass Melon Crystal Aqua with Gold Wash, 15 pieces. These are so pretty. These are just beautiful beads. Okay, so let's push all these out of the side. Now we're going to get to the packages. The additional items are 19 by 24 pewter Celtic style knot charm and antique silver. Got this right here. Next up is Czech glass, a 12 millimeter Czech glass table cut, opaque blue and purple with travertine, 2 pieces. I love table cut beads. Look how pretty they are. The holes are very well made. Next up is Czech glass tabular square robin's egg blue, 10 pieces, 6 millimeter. Very pretty. The holes are very nice. Next up is brass ear wire with ball and coil, silver plated, 8 pieces. These are well made. Really nice to get some findings. You can never have too many ear wires. Next up, oh, these are pretty. 18 millimeter vintage style Czech glass heart, opaque white rainbow iris, 2 pieces. These make a beautiful pair of earrings. There's a hole up at the top. Same on both sides. So pretty. Next up is 12 millimeter Czech fire polish crystal Volcano, 1 piece. Get this open. Okay. Pretty piece. Okay. 9 by 10 millimeter halide hexagon turquoise, 2 pieces. Very nice, very pretty. Well made holes. These are nice because I like having something. I like making jewelry that I sell on Etsy where I just have like a couple beads and then I don't have any more, so it makes it more of, a unique piece of jewelry. It's not like production line jewelry. So sometimes, I'll get like 4 of these, I'll use them in a bracelet and then they're gone. And it makes them more of a one of a kind. So the next one is 12 by 15 millimeter Czech glass butterfly, blue opal rainbow iris with silver wash, 4 pieces. Oh, very pretty. Very pretty. Next up is 9 by 10 millimeter halide hexagon in turquoise, 2 pieces. Mine are green. I don't consider these turquoise, but very pretty. Holes, very well made. These would be pretty earrings too. I love just getting a couple pieces like this. Next up is, let me see. Oh, I'm sorry. Those were the Czech glass trapezoid in green luster, 2 pieces. Sorry, that's what these were. Okay. Now, 10 millimeter Czech glass tabular coin, blue black or blue red, 4 pieces. I got the blue black. Very pretty. Very well made. Okay. Then the 8x9mm Tierracast bunny antique silver plate, 2 pieces. Oh, look how cute these are. I love bunnies. We always have them outside in our yard. You can see them. They're so tiny. These would make cute little earrings. And then bonus, 11x17mm Czech glass pine tree, green with silver wash, 4 pieces. Let's see here. Oh, these are cute little. I'll probably save these till next year because Christmas is in a couple days, so it's kind of a little late. I got a late start opening all this up with my daughter's wedding, which went beautiful. We had a great time. So, yes, I would definitely suggest subscribing to the Bargain Bead, the Dollar Bead box. It is a great box. You get lots of goodies here. So thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comments how you like this and if you would like to see any other types of videos. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below. Just click on them to take you there. And I also have an Etsy store link below if you'd like to follow me there. Just click on that. Thank you again and see you soon on my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.